In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a contact form to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website builder dashboard. From there, choose the website you want to update. Then click Edit Website to open the site editor. Once you are inside the editor, go to the page where you want the contact form to appear. Find the exact area on the page where you want to place it. Then click Add Section. This will open the list of available section types you can insert into the page. Look through the section categories and select the Contact or Contact Form option. GoDaddy will show you several layout choices for contact sections. Pick the layout that fits your page design, then add it to the page. After the form is added, click directly on the Contact Form section to open its customization settings. You will usually see some default fields already included, such as name, email, and message. Review these fields carefully to make sure they match the type of information you want visitors to submit. If you need to collect more details, add any additional fields that are available in the form settings. You can also edit the labels on each field so they clearly describe what the visitor should enter. If certain information is required before someone can submit the form, enable the required field settings for those specific items. Next, open the form settings and set up where form submissions should be sent. Enter the destination for incoming messages so you can receive and review them. After that, customize the confirmation message that appears once a visitor submits the form successfully. This message should be short, clear, and helpful. Before making the form live, preview the page and test the contact form to confirm that the fields display correctly and the layout looks right. Check that the labels are accurate, the required fields work as expected, and the form appears properly on the page. When everything looks good, click Save to keep your changes. Then click Publish to make the updated page live on your website. Your contact form will now be visible to visitors and ready to accept submissions. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.